Hi, I'm Kurumi and this is kurumicooks. This video shows you how to make mini rolled sushi with smoked salmon and cucumber. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here are the ingredients for making 8 rolls. I cooked 2 cups of rice using a rice cooker. I mixed this with 60 ml of this sushi vinegar, 8 halved sheets of nori, 100 grams of smoked salmon sliced into strips, and 100 grams of cucumber strips, cut to the same length as the nori sheet, a rolling mat and wasabi. Lay a sheet of nori onto your rolling mat with the rough side up. Take about 85 grams of rice and spread it evenly over the nori, leaving a 1 cm strip of nori with no rice at the top. Lay a strip of cucumber onto the middle of the rice like this. Then take the mat by the bottom corners, and using your fingers to hold the cucumber in place, roll the bottom edge of the mat over until the nori sheet covers all the filling. Shape the roll firmly using your fingers. Your mini roll is done. Next, I'm going to make a mini roll with a smoked salmon filling. First, lay out your nori and rice like you did for the cucumber mini roll. Lay strips of salmon along the length of the nori sheet. Then place another layer of the salmon on the top. Don't overfill, or your mini roll will be difficult to close. Now, like we did with the cucumber mini roll, take the mat by the bottom corners, fingers on the salmon to keep it in place, then roll. Shape the roll firmly with your fingers. Now we are going to cut the mini rolls into 6 equal pieces. Wet a sharp knife in water to stop it sticking. Then cut the roll in half like this. Then cut them into 3 pieces each. And your roll is ready. Clean your knife and wet it again, and do the same with the smoked salmon roll. Serve with a little wasabi and soy sauce. Thanks for watching. Here are the ingredients and the how-to for the recipe. Please subscribe and visit my website kurumicooks for more Japanese recipes. Bye bye!